Today, we're revealing 5 hidden YouTube settings tips that nobody talks about. These tips can help take your channel to the next level, so stick around. First, let's talk about advanced channel keywords. Most creators know about basic keywords, but did you know you can also include long-tail keywords and phrases in your channel description? These longer, more specific keywords help YouTube understand the exact niche and topics your channel covers, making it easier to target the right audience. Make sure to update your channel description regularly with relevant keywords to stay ahead. Next, enable auto-translate for captions. This feature can significantly increase your reach by making your videos accessible to non-English speaking audiences around the world. Go to YouTube Studio, then Subtitles, and enable auto-translation for your captions. This not only broadens your audience but also improves your video's SEO, as YouTube indexes these translations. Tip number 3, set up default upload settings. This is a huge time saver and ensures consistency across all your videos. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Upload Defaults. Here, you can set default tags, visibility settings, and categories for all your future uploads. This means every time you upload a video, these settings are automatically applied, helping you maintain a consistent brand presence without the repetitive work. Number 4, create a channel trailer specifically for new visitors. Your channel trailer is like a first impression for new viewers. Go to YouTube Studio, then Customization, and add a short, engaging trailer that introduces your channel, highlights your best content, and encourages new visitors to subscribe. Make sure your trailer is clear, concise, and shows off what makes your channel unique. Lastly, utilize community settings to manage your audience effectively. A well-managed community can boost engagement and foster a positive environment on your channel. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Community. Here, you can add moderators who can help manage comments, block certain words to prevent spam or inappropriate comments, and set up automated filters. These tools help keep your comments section clean, respectful, and engaging, making it a better place for your viewers to interact. And there you have it. 5 hidden YouTube settings tips that can give your channel a boost. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Inside Finance for more great content. See you in the next video.